Good morning, students. Welcome back to our class. Students, today we are going to learn a poem, The Sun, written by Gareth Lancaster. The speaker wonders where the sun goes in the night. Does it go to sleep, or does it hide, or does it turn around and becomes the moon? The speaker wants to know that if the sun also needs to rest and whether it has a home to go at the end of the day. Maybe the sun just floats around from the one city to another. The speaker believes that since the earth is round, the sun keeps going from one city to another, spreading sunshine everywhere. Students, let us read the poem. Don't you think the sun is bright? I wonder where it goes at night. Does it sleep or does it hide? Or is the moon its other side? Does it hide behind the hills late at night as outside chills? Do you think it needs to rest from all that warming it does best? Could it even have a home? Maybe in London or even in Rome? Or does it just float around, moving slowly from town to town? Yes, I think it must do that. After all, the earth's not flat. So the sun goes round and round, spreading sunshine on the ground. Let us see once again. Don't you think the sun is bright? Here, bright means shining. I wonder where it goes at night. I wonder. Wonder means surprise. Does it sleep or does it hide? Here, hide means secret. Or is the moon its other side? Does it hide behind the hills? Here, behind means at the back of. Late at night at other outside hills. Do you think it needs to rest from all that warming it does best? Here, chills means coldness, warming means to become cold or coldness. Could it even have a home? Maybe in London or even in Rome. Or it doesn't just float around. Here, float means drift, moving slowly from town to town. Yes, I think it must do that. After all, the earth's. Here, earth means the way of saying earth is. Then, so the sun goes round and round. So the sun goes round and round, spreading sunshine on the ground. Here, spreading means shake out or roll out. Sunshine means daylight. Okay. Students, now we shall discuss the question and answers. Answer these questions. 1. Tick the correct sentences. The speaker thinks that the sun sleeps at night. Yes, it sleeps at night. So we have to put a tick. B. Hides behind the hills. So we have to put tick. C. Becomes the moon in the night. It becomes moon in the night. So we have to put a tick. D is hides behind the clouds at night. So it doesn't hide behind the clouds at night. So it is cross. So goes back to its home to sleep. Yes, it is correct. So we have to put a tick. Hides in the forest. So it never hides in the forest. So cross. Goes around the earth. Tick. So now we have to take A, B, C, E and G. Question number 2. What does the speaker think of the moon is? What does the speaker think the moon is? The speaker thinks that the moon is the sun. Question number 3. According to the speaker, what is the sun's hiding place? According to the speaker, what is the sun's hiding place? According to the speaker, the sun's hiding place is behind the hills. According to the speaker, the sun's hiding place is behind the hill. Question number 4. Why does the speaker wonder if the sun needs to rest? Why does the speaker wonder if the sun needs to rest? The speaker wonders the sun needs to rest because it spreads its sunlight all day from one town to another. It keeps moving, that's why it needs rest at night. Now let us move on to the other exercise, words in use. Find the opposites of these words in the poem. Find the opposites of these words in the poem. 1. Wake up. Opposite word, sleep. Cooling. Opposite, warming. Inside, outside. Quickly, slowly. Enjoying the poem. Find all the 8 pairs of words that rhymes in the poem. In the poem, there are 8 pairs of words are there. So we have to write it here. 1. Bright night. Hide, side. Hills, chills. Rest, best. Home, roam. That, flat. Round, ground. Around, town. Exercise B. The speaker talks about the sun as if it were a person. Take the sentences that show us this. 1. Do you think it needs to rest? Yes. We have to put a tick mark. So 2. Or is the moon its other side? No. Third one. Could it even have a home? Yes. Put a tick. Students, that's all for today. So you learn all the question and answers and the poem at home. Have a nice day. We'll see in the next video.